What does your child love to do? Is it make paper airplanes, build Lego homes, or perhaps draw pictures of your family dog in silly poses? Whatever it is, chances are we can help them turn that passion into a small, fun business. Why? It is an amazing learning opportunity for them, and also a great way for you to bond with your child. Welcome to Lemonade Launch, where we help raise entrepreneurial kids. The best businesses start from passion, and that's exactly what hobbies are, they're passion. So your child is already internally, intrinsically motivated. They'll be excited to work on this venture. And when you combine that with teaching them that they're providing value to someone else, it becomes extremely powerful. It resonates better. You're teaching them creativity, problem solving, and in essence, entrepreneurship. Okay, so where do you begin? Step one, identify a hobby that has some market potential. So think about, what does my child do without being told? But then the follow-up question is, what's the output of that? Would someone else gain from the output? Is there value to them? And if you can identify a hobby that provides value to someone else, then we can turn that into a small business. Step two, identify the audience. Who is the perfect customer here for the product or service? Is it a classmate, a neighbor, another parent, or a family member? Whoever it is, have your child imagine them and describe them. Maybe even have them draw it out. Just enjoy it, have fun with it. Step three, set a tiny, achievable goal. Forget profits. Think about it more like, can we sell to 3 people? Or can we earn $20? Whatever it is, keep it simple so that you and your child don't get overwhelmed. You could always grow and expand as you learn. Consider doing a pop-up stand. But remember, just focus on, what are we learning here? What could we improve on? That's where growth happens. Step four, make it together. Remember that this is a partnership, not a parent takeover. Yes, you could help them design a flyer or film the promo video, but really you're there to support, not take over. This is about building pride and confidence, not about perfection. Step five, reflect and celebrate. It doesn't matter if they made $5 or $50 or $1,000. Take a moment to ask, what went well? What could we improve for next time? What could we do differently? It's about self-awareness. It is a critical skill to teach, and you can do so through these questions. Now let's take a look at a few examples. Does your child enjoy drawing? Hopefully they're okay at it too. Do they also have a wild imagination? Consider taking them to a dog park. Have them approach dog owners and offer to draw their pet in a human form. I mean, the intrigue alone might get them some sales. Maybe in an hour or two, they can make $50 to $100 just charging $5 per drawing. Does your child love baking cookies as much as eating them? Perhaps they can become the go-to person in the neighborhood for making birthday cookies. It could be one giant one, or it could be a personalized box with a few smaller cookies. Whatever it is, they're going to learn sales and packaging and all the other skills that come with this entrepreneurial venture. And worst case, if they don't sell any, there's cookies for the house. Now, arts and crafts, always a fan favorite. Does your child enjoy making bracelets or rings? They can consider selling them to friends, classmates, family members, or neighbors. They could learn a lot about pricing, making unique products, something that's hard to replicate. Whatever it is, again, they're learning valuable skills. There are many examples of hobbies that could be turned into small businesses. Drop a comment below with an example of your child's hobby, and I'll help you brainstorm as to what businesses you could help them start. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, check out the channel for some more helpful videos. I'll see you next time.